Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to animate a photo in Premiere Pro less than 1 minute. Let's start with an easy pan movement. So select the photo in your timeline. Go to Effect Controls panel and change the scale value to 120 or everything that you want. Now, while the time indicator is at the start of the layer, click the stopwatch icon next to position and move the image to the left a bit by using the X position controls. Move the time indicator forward a few seconds and then change the value of the X position and move your image to the far right of the screen. And it's the result. Now let's add some zoom and rotation to make it even better. Go back to the start of the layer and click the stopwatch icon for rotation and scale. Change the rotation to -3. And then move to the next keyframe by clicking this arrow and modify the scale value to 140 and change the rotation value from -3 to just 3. Now, you just animated a photo, so to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.